Now, what is Wireshark? Now, Wireshark is the world's foremost and widely used network protocol analyzer. It lets you see what's happening on your network at microscope level and is a standard across many commercial and non-profit enterprises, government agencies, and educational institutions. Wireshark development thrives thanks to the volunteer contributions of networking experts around the globe and is the continuation of project started by Gerald Combe in 1998. Now the question is, why to use Wireshark? Now Wireshark provides many features and very important features like deep inception of hundreds of protocols with more being added all the time, live capture and offline analysis, standard 3-pane packet browser, multi-platforms, so it runs on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, FreeBSD, NetBSD, and many others. Captured network data can be browsed via GUI, graphical user interface, or via the TTY, teletyper mode, which is the CLI, the T-Shark utility. Also, it is the most powerful display filters in the industry. Rich VoIP, which is voice over internet protocol analysis. Capture files compressed with gzip can be decompressed on the fly. Live data can be read from Ethernet, IEEE 802.11, PP, HDLC, ATM, Bluetooth, USB, token ring, frame relay, FDDI, and others, depending on your platform. Also, decryption support for many protocols, including IPsec, ISAKMP, the Kerberos, SNMP version 3, SSL TLS, WIP, and WPA and 2.